3, 2, 1. Let's go. Shifts are awesome and crisp. Hello there and welcome back everyone. Today we're driving a 2002 Honda Accord SE. It's got 91,000 miles. I want to say a huge thank you to Maximum Auto Outlet of Manassas, Virginia for providing me this car. If you're looking for a used car, check them out. Here's the key. And let's get this beautiful Accord started up. And let's go take a look outside. This looks like a really clean unit. This is the 4-cylinder as well. Hopefully I will come across a V6 soon, because I really do want to check that out. But I think the last time that I've ridden in one of these was back in 2004, 2005 when I was like a little kid. But let's check out the back seat. Nice cloth everywhere. VIN stickers. Ooh, hopping in here feels great. Comfy back seats, plenty of space. I'm 6'2", and there's still a lot of room for me. We got the cup holders. Car looks great actually. We got a sunroof, a nice headliner. This fall wood right here as well. Original door guards, the edge guards. Let's go take a look at the trunk. Great big trunk, plenty of space, factory floor mats. Can fit in a lot of suitcases back there. Right here we have our VTEC motor, 4-cylinder. I believe this is the 2.4 liter if I'm not mistaken. I have to double check. But everything looks super clean inside. We got the original VIN stickers on both sides. Right here, everything looks great. All right, but let's go inside now. Let's go hopping inside, check out this cabin. So the AC here works ice cold. We got a sunroof, armrest with storage, cup holders, our glove box, radio, cassette. Let's do a quick wiper test. Not a lot of features to go over. Obviously with these cars, they are older. Horn, 4-speed automatic, and let's go. The first thing that I do want to notice is how comfy these seats are. They're like couches. Nice cloth material, and the visibility is great. It feels sunny in here, very bright, a lot of space, excellent seating position. And after all these years, this car doesn't feel like it's gotten much older. Everything is kept up shape beautifully. This is all, of course, hard plastic. This is soft. Look at how well this car has held up its shape over these years. One thing that I would like to notice is how immediate and aggressive the tip and throttle is on this Accord. You give it a little bit of gas and it just like bam. The ride is smooth, comfortable. And the cabin is actually fairly quiet for this class. It definitely feels quieter to me than a CR-V. I like the blinker sound here too. It's like whoop. So far, very positive impressions of this car. I've definitely liked it a lot thus far. Surprisingly, the power here is actually very good. Like, I'm not noticing any difficulties with acceleration or passing or any maneuver that I want to do. Actually, no, let's go here. It feels very ample. And I also like this 4-speed. I think it works well. It's a peppy engine, spins out freely. Also, as far as the handling, I think for that age, for 2001, 2002, I feel like the Accord was probably one of the sportier offerings of this segment. But what I'm most impressed about so far is the cabin insulation. At 60, it is hushed quiet. Even with the AC, you know, it's still a very quiet cabin. The fan doesn't sound that loud. And the ride is smooth, planted, response is great, brakes feel good. Seriously, a very good machine. Let's see how she handles here. Virtually no body roll. Highway speed feels good. yeah, this is a great driving sedan. Love this Accord. 70, 75 just feels so effortless, easy, smooth. Doesn't even give you any stress. I love it, gonna be honest. But let's make a U-turn and do our normal 0 to 60 test, see how quick this Accord is to 60, and then wrap up this test drive. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Shifts are awesome and crisp. 10.52 seconds. There. Not bad. With the AC on, almost 100 degrees outside, not bad at all. Speedometer is accurate. And it feels really quick to me. Like, I don't know why, it just gets up to 70 with ease. It definitely feels quicker than the numbers would suggest. And this is very good performance for its day when it came out. That's about the same performance the Camry had and the Altima. So very good car. I imagine the V6 is even quicker by a few seconds. So hopefully I find one in the future to test. And I love this engine, just the sound of it, the feel. It's got great torque at 3,500, 4,000. That's where it really peaks, I feel like. And the power does not fall. So 5,000, 6,000, it still holds that good power. This is the kind of car you get if you just don't want any technology, any gimmicks. You just want a pure driving experience, comfortable, refined, efficient, a great automobile. So, to summarize this test drive, what have I thought about this Accord? I gotta say, I love it. Seriously, what a great vehicle. Does everything beautifully. Do you even need the V6 here? I don't even know. 4-cylinder works just fine, even in 100-degree weather with the AC. Passes, accelerates. Like I said, I would love to drive the V6 soon. But comfortable, quiet, refined, excellent handling, good brakes, exactly what you would want. I can't imagine how cool this car was when it came out back in the day. I feel like it was definitely ahead of its time. But thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.